The Naked Blacksmith Rides Again. That's what I think I'm going to call this video series, because I used to do something under that pseudonym. But why I'm saying naked, because you're going to get exactly what I do on a daily or a weekly basis to do an affiliate promotion for Mark Thompson's Inner Circle. And now, with the advent of ChatGPT, I thought I would put that to good use. And so in this thread that you can see, it's actually called Email Infotainer Promo. I'm going to be, I've given ChatGPT some instructions, and you can see I will publish some videos on YouTube to promote Email Infotainer and Mark Thompson's Inner Circle. Then I tell exactly what it, well, I tell it a little bit about what it is, because with ChatGPT you need to train it to, and I'm just quite chatty with it, and you seem to get better results. So there I've got my 30 keywords, okay, which I then go and check for which ones I want to use, and then he even gives me a little tip there what to do. And then I talk about writing an article with the HTTP, with the codes and so on like that. And then I wanted to make it into a tweet, or in fact a thread. So there's my prompt, okay, I've edited that slightly to make a Twitter thread of 15 tweets. Please add the numbers to each tweet and write the last tweet TLDR, meaning too long, didn't read, and write it in the English language. And there we go, and that got posted yesterday. A little bit of adjustment we made there, and here is exactly where I'm announcing to ChatGPT, or Chatty as I call it, or sometimes Eric and sometimes Erica, but whichever it may be. Hi, it's me, Ed. I'm back to build a whole affiliate campaign for Mark Thompson's Email Infotainer and the newsletter. And then I tell him a bit more about Email Infotainer, what it is, so that we can Chatty can get to know exactly what I'm talking about, and then that's the answer I get there. So as you can see, I'm building this out in public, and I've said the first thing that we need is a plan. Okay, the first thing we need is a plan of action, perhaps a table with platforms, actions, dates, text and dates. I've seen an HTML, I've put double H there, but HTML code for something like that. Can you make a social posting? So that was the first run, and then I gave it some more instructions. Also complimenting Chatty on the infinite knowledge and creativity. It just makes the day go a little bit nicer, as if you're actually talking to somebody rather than a machine. But here we have tweets and what they're about, and so on like that. And then talking about the YouTube video. It's a good start. And then I will progress from there, okay? I've actually already written up the next next prompts, and I'll end up with what I do for today, a summary of what I've done, and I'll be able to post that to you wherever you see this. Okay? I'm Ed Kirwan. The Naked Blacksmith strikes again. I look forward to seeing you in another video. Bye for now.